Hi, thank you for joining me. Annie here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Michael Michael Kors Voyager large Saffiano leather top zip tote. The back has this wonderful pocket here, and that is literally what drew me to this bag. I just want that ease of slipping in things. This is the front. The front also has another large flap. Absolutely love this color, the light sand color, and I did pick up the Michael Kors moccasins that were in this color, as well as sandals to go with this for the summer. So I showed you that, and there's another large flap here, and then of course let's unzip this. So interior we have if you open that up, there is a nice padded pocket here that can house your tablet, and we have a zip flap here. It did come with a bag. And that's the interior. And we have two slip pockets there. I love this, looking at on this website, but seeing it in real life, I'm really pleased. So there you have it. It's got the feet. It seems like a large, pretty large size, but pretty narrow, not too wide compared to some of the other totes. And worn on the shoulder, that's what it's gonna look like. That. And thank you for joining me.